Hello, today I am going to show you how to install TWRP recovery on Galaxy J200H. It's only for that J200H and it perfectly works on my device. First you have to download the file, which I will put in the link. Just after downloading the file, the file is like this, and just click here. You have to extract using your extractor, and then it's goes like this. After that, there you can just see here the option that it is saying root access is not available. So after this you have you just know that okay, here you can see the mobile version also. Sometimes you don't see here, you say that I am not able to see my mobile version, and you are just seeing and show your mobile version, and I am just seeing okay, this is sometimes happen and seeing. So after this, just switch off your mobile phone. First, just you have to press 3 buttons to enable the boot mode and enable the flash mode. For this you have to because of the camera it is very much difficult for me. Okay, I am doing it like this. After that, just see here these 3 buttons you have to press. These 3 buttons are the up button, the down volume button, power button, and home button. Just click them at a time. Yeah, it's coming into recovery. After going to recovery, you have to press the off volume button. Okay, with mobile it is done. And then you have to have Odin version 3.0. you can find it anywhere. I have already downloaded the Odin. Just type ODIN. The file is coming, has gone, and from here yes, you can see Odin. From here go to AP. Don't touch anything, don't do anything, just go to AP. Click here and you will directly go to recovery. Here are 2 TWRP recovery. There is in the top, there is 200H. This is for 200H. You have Samsung Galaxy. Just click on it and open and start. You can see there. Okay, it is passed and your mobile is now static. You can see your mobile. To know it, you can just take out the battery. Take the battery out like this. Yeah, it is done. And put it back. And to go to boot mode, you have to TWRP recovery. You have to press volume up button, down button, and this button. It is very difficult to me. I am just doing like this. Press until the recovery mode doesn't come. Okay, it is we are doing. Sometimes you have to lift. Okay, it's come. Oh, sorry, I am doing 1 second. It's not going there. Just do that again. If such a thing happen. it's much more difficult for me. How can I just novelty manner? Okay, just here a button, this button and this one. It may take up to 10 seconds to do that thing, so don't hurry. Yeah, now left it. How it is. Just left it, and at a while you can see that wow, it's just going there. You can see. Okay. So in this way you can install TWRP recovery without using the root or without having the root in your phone. So at last I want to say that please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share it with your friends, and keep supporting me.